What's going on, guys? So, the what's going on, guys? Revolutionary Road back at you with another stock pick of the week. This week we're going to talk about Harvest One. I want to talk about this company because of a few things. The first thing is what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Revolutionary Road, coming at you with another stock pick of the week. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Revolutionary Road, coming at you with another stock pick of the week. This week we're going to talk about Harvest One Cannabis. With Harvest One, you have what they call a global house of brands. So this is a global cannabis company that develops and provides health and wellness products for four divisions well positioned to create maximum shareholder value. So what they're referring to is their diversified different platforms or brands, companies, whatever you want to call them. So they have Global Cannabis Company, which is Harvest One, and then they have United Greeneries, which they fully own, and United Greeneries is basically a grower, a licensed producer. They are currently operating one facility with another facility waiting to be licensed. So they're currently operating their Duncan facility in British Columbia on Vancouver Island, and they're waiting for their Lucky Lake facility to be operational. Once their Lucky Lake facility is fully operational, they will have annual production of 11,000 kilograms from Lucky Lake, and they will combine that with their annual production of 1,000 kilograms from the Duncan facility. So basically between 12,000, and they hope to bring that up to 20,000 kilograms a year. So by the end of 2019, they should be up to 12,000 kilograms with their Lucky Lake facility and their Duncan facility. And this would give them 12,000 kilograms of annual production, and they hope to bring that up to 20,000 once these facilities are fully expanded, as they will discuss in their expansion plans coming soon. So a big thing about this company is stock price. I mean, it's currently, like many companies, been getting killed. The past couple months, everything's been kind of down because the market's been just getting rocked from trade tensions between China and US, Mexico, US. There's been a ton of, stuff with Iran and threats of war and all kinds of crazy market shitty market conditions, let's just call them. So things have not been good in the market the last couple months. Many have been, well, to say the least, pissed. They've been losing a lot of money. So what can you do? You can only have faith in the companies you're investing in and do your own research and understand where you're putting your money, and then you can be fully satisfied. And what strategy you should utilize at a time like this, especially if you have a stock that is down or you're losing money in a trade, is to add when it's lower. So to buy when the stock is down, because if you already have money into the stock, you're expecting the stock to come up, hopefully, unless you're just preying on a dream. But if you have full faith in your company that it's going to be productive and that they're going to be profitable, then you should have faith to buy when their stock dips. And so then you reduce your risk because you add when the stock is down. So at a level like this, say 66 cents, you add here. Say you bought it like, $1 and it drops down to 66 cents, and you're like, okay, crap, I'm losing money. But if you add here, you buy another 1,000 shares or something here at 66 cents. When it goes back up to $1, not only will you have this money back again, but you'll have almost doubled your money from that growth. So that's where you want to be putting your energy is, should I buy or should I add on to these instead of just worrying about losing money? Because if you're faithful in your company, which you should be, you shouldn't invest in any company you're not fully, trusted in, unless you're just swing trading it for a week or two. You should be pretty confident in what companies you're investing in. But anyway, that's one of the things I wanted to talk about with a stock like this, and just look over their share price relatively quickly. It's down to 60 cents. Well, I should say up to 66 cents. It was down to 63 cents, and that's been the kind of low in the past 6 months. So you can see a floor, you can see a resistance level being created at 63 cents. You can see 2 times it tried to test that level and 2 times it bounced back. It might dip lower, but there's a lot of support at the 63 level. So you got to keep an eye on that, and it might be a good place to buy. Anyway, that's that. One thing I want to discuss with Harvest One is, I already discussed that they'll have up to 20,000 kilograms of production, but the biggest thing is the acquisition of Satipharm, a health and wellness company that specializes in CBD-based products. Satipharm's signature gel pill technology for cannabis products has the potential to make Harvest One a global leader in the medical cannabis industry. So Satipharm is a company that is now fully owned by Harvest One, and they have revolutionized CBD capsules with their gel pill technology. And as you see here, I'll play a quick clip here in their video to show you kind of their platform. And as I say, we do CBD differently, and I won't show you any more than that. You guys can check it out if you want, but that is their platform, and they have their 50 milligram and their 10 milligram gel pill capsules. And as you see here, they've signed an agreement with Holland & Barrett, Europe's largest retailer of wellness products, to supply 841 retail stores with Satipharm CBD 10 milligram gel pill capsules. So that's a large number of stores, 841 retail stores. That is a lot of products being sold, a lot of exposure for this brand, and it shows their diversity, their ability to diversify, not just rely on their pure production and pure cannabis dried flower sales, but to diversify in the CBD market and to revolutionize how that CBD is being delivered to its patients and to its consumers. The company also owns Dream Water, and this is the final kind of, it's the four brands. Like I said, you have Harvest One, you have Satipharm, and you have United Greeneries, and finally you have Dream Water. And Dream Water is the number one selling. Dream Water fully owns the number one selling natural liquid sleep shot. Dream Water has sold over 30 million units and is available in over 30,000 stores across North America. So with this Dream Water, products are meant for relaxation and sleep. So these are FDA and Health Canada approved shots, natural sleep shots, and they are fully owned by Harvest One. So this shows their ability to branch out into different markets and to not only sell cannabis and CBD and revolutionize the CBD market by creating new deliverance systems and technology and gel pill capsule technology, but also to bring a revolutionary sleep shot, which they call it. It is like an energy drink, but the opposite of an energy drink. It is a sleep drink. So it's a shot you take before bed and you go to sleep, and as I said, it's the number one selling natural liquid sleep shot. So it also they also have a sleep powder that is sold under the Dream Water brand. So it's a sleep shot and a sleep powder, in case people are interested. So they have branched out into these various platforms and are doing very well. Their stock price, as I said, is down to 66 cents. They're trading in the OTC in the US, it's 51 cents. So this company is setting itself up to not only dominate certain markets and revolutionize those markets. I wouldn't say they're going to be, a large producer of dried flower or be the best producer of dried flower. They will do relatively well based on their production, but they're a small player when it comes to dried flower. But that's not where I'd be looking for profit in this company. That's not where I'd be looking to. Well, obviously they're going to profit from that, but that'll just help them to grow their other brands and, as I said, become diversified in their ability to control different markets and to profit from different markets, which will make them a more successful company than some other small cap producers that are fully relying on dried cannabis production. So that's one of the reasons why I think Harvest One is a good company. Keep your eye on them. Definitely be wary of the market in today's conditions in the next month. If we don't see a bounce, if we don't see this market right now seems to be flatline. It seems to be just kind of drifting side to side. It's not really going up or down. There's not a lot of volatility. There's not a lot of volume, which just happens around summertime generally. It's a little early this year. We'll see what happens. Hopefully the market picks back up by September and we don't have a huge crash, as a lot of people are predicting a recession. But I think, like I said, it's just a correction. We've seen it, and now a lot of companies are trying to come back. Now, a lot of these companies aren't profitable, which is why their stocks are down, and which is why a lot of them are going to have to prove they can be profitable in order for them to gain back their stock price and their shareholders' value. But like I said, if you trust in the companies you're investing in and you fully understand how they're going to make money and where they're aiming their kind of energy at, where they're trying to target, what markets they're trying to target, and where they're trying to profit from the most, and where they're trying to diversify their products and rely on different streams of revenue and not just be a one-trick pony and put all their eggs in one basket and rely purely on dried flower. It's going to be really tough for a lot of smaller companies. They're going to get bought out, like a company like HIP, ticker HIP, New Strike Brands. They got bought out by Hexo. I own shares in that, so now I own shares in Hexo. It's interesting, but it is what it is. Maybe I'll do a video about Hexo in the next little bit. Their share price is getting hammered too, but what can you do? You just got to keep an eye on the market, see how things are going, and like I said, be confident in the companies you're investing in and truly understand how they're planning to make money. As I said, with Harvest One, they have multiple streams of revenue. They're relying on a sleep shot that is the number one leading sleep shot, a new revolutionary gel pellet technology to deliver CBD capsules, and also their United Greeneries, their dried flower production. So this is a very diversified company, and they have multiple streams of revenue. So it's something you guys should keep an eye on, and it's a company that I actually think will do very well. Do I think that you should invest in them today? I think you should be very hesitant in today's market to invest in anything, but I do think that it will be a good company to invest in the long run. But like I said, do your own research. Don't listen to what I say. Don't believe anything I say. Don't believe anything you read or hear. Until you do your own research, you really don't know anything. So that's all I want to say, and I'm out for this video. I'll be back at you with another one. Hope you guys liked it. Have a great day, guys.